Ragdoll cat breed. Ragdoll cat breed traits.
The Ragdoll comes in the four traditional pointed colors: seal, chocolate, blue and lilac, and three divisions: solid or color point, particolor omitted, and particolor bicolor.
Solid division Ragdolls have darker, well-defined points. Body color is a shade lighter than point color, and soft shadings of color are allowed on the body.
Ragdoll Cat Personality.
Docile, mild-mannered, and congenial, Ragdolls make ideal indoor companions. One of the nicest features of these cats is their laid-back, sweet personality. They are playful but are not overactive.
Known to adapt easily to their environment, Ragdolls get along well with children and adults, as well as cats and dogs.
Size. The Ragdoll females usually weigh 10 to 15 pounds, and some males weigh more than 20 pounds. History of the Ragdoll cat.
The Ragdoll is a breed whose origins are surrounded by controversy and tall tales. According to various stories, the foundation cat, Josephine, produced unremarkable kittens until she was struck by a car in the early 1960s.
After her recovery, all of her subsequent litters produced kittens that displayed Ragdoll characteristics. Large size, non-matting fur, the tendency to relax in a person's arms like a child's Ragdoll, and serene dispositions.